teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8 Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables, Exercise 3.3, third question, third subdivision. Alright, now let's read the question. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So there is a coach. Okay, so coach of a cricket team. So he decided to buy 7 bats and 6 balls. Okay, so for playing cricket. Okay, so when he bought 7 bats and 6 balls, the total amount he paid is rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. Later means after some days, or you can say after a day. Okay, so after a day, no, one second, yeah, so after a day she decided to buy 3 bats and 5 balls. So that time she paid rupees 1,750. Now we are supposed to find the cost of each bat and each ball. Okay, so each bat means 1 bat and 1 ball. Okay, so now I'm gonna let the cost of 1 bat be x and let the cost of 1 ball be y. So now I wrote let the cost of 1 bat, let us take it as rupees, once again let us take it as rupees x. So they are talking about cost, no, so let us write rupees. Okay, so rupees x, and the cost of 1 ball, let us take it as rupees y. Okay, so now we took it as x and y, so now we are supposed to form an equation. Okay, so now let's read the question further. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. Okay, so we are supposed to form an equation in this sentence only. Okay, so the coach is buying 7 bats and 6 balls. Okay, so here we took that the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball, we took it as x and y, isn't it? So if he buys 7 bats, then we are supposed to write 7 into x. Why? Why? Because 7 means they are representing 7 bats. X means the cost of 1 bat. Why? Because if you are buying a lot of bats, no, we need the amount of one particular bat. Then only we'll be able to find the total amount, isn't it? Okay, so now we are supposed to add it with 6 balls for rupees 3,800. So here they mentioned 6 balls. Okay, so they are buying 6 balls, so the cost of 1 ball we took it as y. Then I can write y. So since they mentioned 6 balls, let us write 6y, and then so that is for rupees 3,800. What is the meaning of rupees 3,800? So including 7 bats and 6 balls the coach bought, right? So that one total amount is rupees 3,800. So we can take it as equation number 1. Okay, all right, so now let's do another one equation. Okay, so later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Okay, so later she buys 3 bats, so 3 bats, so and then we are supposed to write cost of 1 bat, that is x. So 3 into x plus 5 balls, so the cost of 1 ball is y. Okay, so 5 into y is equal to, it is for 1,750. So we shall take it as equation number 2. So now we have 2 equations, isn't it? So now we can solve it by substitution method. Okay guys, so now we are going to be solving it by substitution method. Okay, so for that let us take from equation 1. So this is equation number 1, that is 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800, isn't it? So I can write 7x is equal to 3,800 minus 6y, and x is equal to 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7. Okay guys, so now finally we got the x value. So this is the x value. Okay, so this is the x value. Okay, so put x value in equation 2. Okay, so now what is the equation number 2? That is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. So 3 instead of x we are supposed to write 3800 minus 6y divided by 7 close the bracket plus 5y is equal to 1750. Okay, so now let us solve this. So here I just wrote 3. Okay, I know it was not visible, now it is visible, right? Okay. Okay guys, so now let us solve it. So for that we should multiply them. Okay, so when I just multiply 3 into 3800, I get 11,400, and then 3 into 6 is 18. So let us write 8y as it is, and then divided by 7 plus 5y is equal to 1750. Okay, so now you can see we have 5y, so let us write divided by 1. So now we can actually take LCM, right? So when we just take LCM, I get 11,400 minus 18y plus 35y divided by 7 is equal to 1750. Okay, I get this value when I take LCM. Okay, so now I'm gonna cross multiply them. So when I just cross multiply, I get 11,400. So here we are supposed to solve it. Okay, so plus and minus is minus. When we solve them, we get 17y is equal to 1750 into 7. We just cross multiply, we'll get 12,250. Alright, so now what we can do is, now we can write 17y is equal to 12,250. So here it is 11,400. So it is in addition form, isn't it? So when it comes to this side, it changes into subtraction. Okay, so 17y, so when we just subtract them, no, we'll get 850. So y is equal to 850 divided by 17. Okay, so we'll get 850 in 17 table, isn't it? Okay, so once again, yeah, so we can cancel 117 is 17, and then 17 5s are, it is 85, and then 0 as it is. So what is the y value? Y value is 50. Okay, so finally we got the y value. Now I'm going to put the y value in equation number 1. Okay, so let's write, put the y value in equation 1. Okay, so now what is the equation number 1? So the equation number 1 is this one. Okay, that is 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Okay, so 7x plus, in the place of y we are supposed to write 50, and is equal to 3800. 7x plus, so 6 into 50 is 300, and is equal to 3800, and then yeah, and then 7x as it is equal to 3800. So here it is plus 300, right? When it comes to this side, it changes into minus 300. Okay, so when we just solve them, we'll get 3500, and then x is equal to 3500 divided by 7. Okay, here it is in multiplication, right? That's why. Okay, so now let us cancel. 1 7 is 7, and here 7 5s are 35, and 0 0. So what is the x value? So the x is equal to, it is 500. So finally we got to know the rupees, right? According to the question, I'll show that. Okay, according to the question, we took the cost of 1 baht, let it be rupees x. So finally we got x value, isn't it? Then I can say, one second, I'll write here. Okay, so cost of 1 baht is equal to, it is rupees 500. Okay, so the cost of 1 ball is equal to, I can say it is rupees. So what is the y value? 50. Okay, Alright, so this is our answer. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.